Welcome, seekers of tranquility and self-growth, to a transformative journey that transcends the ordinary. In today's video, we explore the captivating realm of Kundalini Yoga and meditation, unlocking the dormant energy within and paving the way for enhanced well-being and personal evolution. In our fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. And that's where Kundalini Yoga comes in. Kundalini Yoga is not just a physical practice. It's a holistic approach that combines physical postures, breath control, and meditation. Originating from ancient traditions, it's a powerful tool to connect your mind, body, and spirit. Now, let's delve into the science behind Kundalini activation. Embarking on a Kundalini Yoga journey involves awakening the dormant energy located at the base of your spine. This activation unleashes transformative energy, leading to heightened states of consciousness and self-awareness. But it's not just about the physical aspect. Meditation plays a pivotal role in the holistic self-growth experience. Through guided meditation, you gain mastery over your thoughts, achieving mindful clarity that enhances focus and nurtures a positive mindset. Now let's talk about incorporating Kundalini into your daily life. Start your day with invigorating Kundalini Yoga postures and a brief meditation. This morning ritual sets a positive tone, promoting vitality and mental clarity throughout your day. And as the day winds down, engage in a restorative Kundalini Yoga sequence coupled with meditation. Release accumulated tension, promote restful sleep, and prepare your mind for rejuvenating rest. Kundalini Yoga isn't just a practice, it's a lifestyle. Integrate these transformative practices into various aspects of your daily life, whether you're at work, surrounded by nature, or in the comfort of your home. But don't just take my word for it. Hear from those who have embraced the transformative powers of Kundalini Yoga and meditation. From increased energy levels to profound mental clarity, the testimonials speak volumes about the impact of Kundalini practices. And for those eager to start their journey, here's a simple Kundalini Yoga posture you can incorporate into your routine. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Beyond the physical and mental benefits, Kundalini Yoga delves into the spiritual aspects of self-discovery. Connecting with your inner self and the universe, this practice opens doors to spiritual growth and enlightenment. Understanding the energy centers or chakras within your body is fundamental to Kundalini Yoga. Each chakra represents a unique aspect of your being, contributing to a balanced and harmonious life. Delve into the rich history and cultural significance of Kundalini Yoga. Rooted in ancient traditions, this practice has stood the test of time as a powerful tool for personal transformation. Understanding the roots of Kundalini Yoga adds depth to your journey, fostering a connection with a tradition that spans centuries. Kundalini Yoga is for everyone, regardless of age. Whether you're a teenager navigating the challenges of adolescence or a senior seeking holistic well-being, the benefits are profound and accessible. It's never too early or too late to embark on this transformative journey. Discover the power of community in Kundalini Yoga. Joining group sessions enhances the collective energy, creating a supportive environment for growth and exploration. Sharing this journey with like-minded individuals adds a beautiful dimension to your practice. Explore the therapeutic benefits of Kundalini Yoga. From stress reduction to improving sleep quality, this practice has a profound impact on your overall well-being. The therapeutic aspects make Kundalini Yoga not just a physical exercise, but a holistic approach to health. Embarking on the path of Kundalini Yoga and meditation is a transformative journey towards self-discovery and personal evolution. The fusion of physical postures, breathwork, meditation, spiritual exploration, understanding its rich history, recognizing its benefits for all ages, the strength of community, and the therapeutic aspects creates a synergy that unlocks your true potential. If you're eager to dive deeper into Kundalini Yoga, check out the resources in the description below. Books, online courses, guided meditation sessions, documentaries, age-specific practices, community platforms, and therapeutic insights await you on your continued journey. In conclusion, embrace the transformative powers of Kundalini Yoga and meditation. Integrate these practices into your daily life and embark on a journey of heightened consciousness, emotional resilience, and overall well-being. If you found this journey enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content on self-growth and holistic well-being. Until next time, stay balanced and connected on your transformative journey.